You want to stand in the middle of the resistance band. If it's too easy, all you do is just open your legs and put it wider. That'll make it harder for you to do this exercise. So find where you feel that muscle's getting worked nice and effective. Okay, you want to stand up nice and straight, shoulders back and down, chest up, knees are slightly bent, abs are tight. You want to bring your shoulders up in a backward motion and squeeze those trapezius muscles. You want to breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Don't move around. On this exercise, we're working pretty much the neck muscle, so you want to look straight, don't look around. You can enter that neck real fast. Now your elbows, you don't want to bend them while you're doing the exercise. Not locked, slightly bent. Come up and squeeze. You want to come up all the way as high as you can come, then go down about 1.5 inches. If you go too low, the muscle starts resting. We don't want that. We want it always getting killed.